Hello, welcome to the SDEFX Forex Movement. Whether or not you guys know, my name is Yusuf Scott, and I'm the founder of the SDEFX Forex Movement. In this video today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you guys with insight on why is it that so many people they choose the SDEFX Forex Movement for their Forex training. All right, you guys see here, right here in the outline, I have here a list of reasons why so many people choose the SDEFX Forex Movement for their training. All right. The first point is I provide free trade alerts. Now, if you guys have been following me for the last 2-3 years or more, you will know that I provide free public trade alerts to everyone. Many students have taken these trade alerts and they've made profit on them, and then they actually join. Okay, I do that occasionally. You guys, if you check my Facebook, if you check Instagram, if you even check my YouTube channel where I have over 600 videos, you guys will find a number of trade alerts that I put out to the public, and a number of those, well, all of them have gone in profit. Okay, very powerful. This particular training, it's a no-brainer. It pays for itself. You know, it pays for your training. You sit amongst other students and allow me to analyze the market for you. I'm going to tell you when to get in, what pairs are not good to watch right now, what pairs should, maybe you should wait a day or two. I'm going to tell you all of that. All right. This particular training is very powerful. This is how so many people have come to realize me being the Forex GOAT. They consider me the Forex GOAT because of the trade alerts that I put out, always going into the money, always perfect timing. Okay. Now, as I said before, you guys can check Facebook, Instagram, you can check my YouTube channel, and you can, everything that I'm telling you guys about my trade alerts, they're verifiable, and you will find that they're always profitable. Okay. Number 2, very important. I have what's called the perfect entry strategy. This strategy, all right, is traders' solution to entry and exit, to their entry and exit problems. The majority of traders nowadays, they're having issues with where and when to get into the Forex market, how to enter. Once they're in, they don't know how to exit or when to exit. This strategy will help you with that. Okay? A lot of people have come to the SDEFX Forex Movement just to learn how to enter because they see that my entries are always on point. All right? Very powerful. Now, this perfect entry strategy has 2 conditions for you to enter the market. You're not going to have a whole laundry list of requirements in order for you to get into the market. I made it very simple and easy for you to enter the Forex market. All right, very simple. The number 3 reason why people they choose the SDEFX Forex Movement for their training is the stay in your trade strategy. I want to tell you guys something. When you have the perfect entry strategy and the stay in your trade strategy, when you use those together, very powerful. One will get you in the market, and the other will tell you when it's best to stay in or when it's best to get out the market. Very powerful. Hand in hand, it's just an explosive duo. Now, this particular strategy will allow you to run trades days, weeks, months at a time. Even I've run trades over a year. All right, and this particular strategy will help you do that. Okay. Now, with this particular strategy, there's only one condition that we look at. One condition. All right, and when you find that condition in favor of what's going on, not going to give any clues. When you find it in favor, you stay in. When it's going against what we look for, you look to get out. Okay, one condition. That's it. Now, something that's very important that I know a lot of students they look for, because I train folks from all across the world. Many of you are from different time zones, different countries. you guys are always wondering, hey, I live in here, I live in South Africa, I live in the UK, I'm on the East Coast, I'm on the West Coast, I'm at work at this time when you have training. Are your training sessions recorded? To answer you guys frankly, they are. I couldn't do it any other way. It's very important that they're recorded because, like I said, people are from all over the world. I train you guys, and I know that my training sessions are not, it won't always suit everyone's lifestyle, the time-wise. You will have 24 access to the members area. That's where I house all of the training sessions. They're housed in the members area. When you become a student, you'll have 24/7 access. Okay? And as I said before, the bullet point there says convenient for those with a busy schedule. That's like one of the best things that I could have incorporated is recording every session, having it housed inside of the members area for you to have access to whenever you want at your leisure. Number 5, my training is in layman's terms. Okay? My training, for most of you who have watched my videos on YouTube, you've watched my videos on Facebook and Instagram, you know, I come from a different angle. My goal is to keep things, truthfully, so darn easy. My thing is, if I complicate things for people, they'll be confused. They won't follow, you know, the strategy or the instructions. They're going to leave. So my thing is to provide very simple and easy instructions so that you can execute the strategy. You can win your trades. You know, if I keep things complicated, my theory is if I overcomplicate things or if I complicate things, people are going to say, bye-bye, I don't want to stay here. It's just too much. So I've made things very simple and easy. That way, it's a win-win situation. If I make it easy for you, in turn, you can make profit. Everyone's happy. You know? Everyone's happy. Very simple. And like I said, it's a win-win situation. As long as my students are trained well, that's less emails and less text messages and less calls that I have. I can live a great life. Okay? So it's my goal to have successful students. All right? Now the last reason why people they join, and this is probably should be number 1, but honestly, you guys know that as a aspiring successful Forex student or trader, you guys know how it is. You go online and you look for help. You go on YouTube, bounce from channel to channel, surfing the web, you're looking for answers. There are a lot of people out who they take screenshots of their trades, and you never know if it's really real. You never know if it's on a live account or a dummy account. Well, number 6 says traders can see that I trade from a live account. Any video that I've put out, you guys will see that it says live account. Okay? Of course, along my journey being a trainer, people, they would say when I would post screenshots or what have you, they would say that, hey, he's trading on demo. So I had to prove people wrong. I had to show people, you know, let me silence people and let them know I am authentic. I'm trading from a live account. That way I can build that confidence. You know, I want to build confidence with people, let people know that this is real. Okay? So these are the reasons why people, they choose the So Darn Easy Forex movement. Let's move forward. Now, the So Darn Easy Forex movement's core focus. This right here is basically like the, you know, this is what every student will have access to. This is what you can expect regardless of what membership you join. This is the core. This is like the base of where my strategies were designed from or built off of. Okay, number one says MT4 training. It's a very important tool. You must learn how to use this tool. Okay, a great analogy is, what's the use of having a toolbox full of tools if you don't know how to use them? Very important that you learn how to use MT4. MT4 will be the tool that's going to help you make money. So you must learn how to use it. Inside of my members area, I have a great tutorial that explains everything about MT4. You must learn it. If you're brand new, this is going to be where you want to start. You want to begin learning how to use that tool, because everything else that I teach, it will fall right in line. Okay? The next portion, or the next core focus, is the foundation training. That basically encompasses your parts of training like trend lines, support and resistance, just a lot of the basics that I feel is necessary, very important in order for you to grow as a Forex trader. Okay, topics in that area will be heavily discussed. One thing about me, I make sure that I keep things simple. If you find something to be challenging, I'm going to find a way to simplify it for you so that you can comprehend it. So foundation training is very important. I want you guys to know that. Next point, money management. Knowing how heavy you should be trading, how light you should be trading, volume size. A lot of people, they lose in a Forex market because they trade too heavy. Money management is very important. Knowing when to add to your trades, when to close out this trade, all of that it all goes hand in hand. Very important for you guys to know. How to manage your money, that's very important. There's a lot of people who mismanage their bank accounts. This is very important for you guys to learn to manage. You need to manage your trading accounts. Okay? Very important. Forex psychology. Okay? The mental. Alright? Now, psychology is a very important area, especially since a lot of people, they lose. There's a cycle that people go through when they're trading on the Forex market. And psychology is one that I speak heavily on. I tap into that quite so often. Let's say quite often. I tap into that area because I know that students coming from various areas online or have joined different groups, people are not familiar with, the psychological side of trading. People, they're still losing, so they fall into that rut. They never get out. So it's important that I focus on that area, and it's important as a trader you're familiar with the psychological side. Okay, the mental, being in control of how you think when you're trading is very important. All right, Forex logic and wisdom. Okay, very deep. One thing that I've been known for is to speak very, I'll say, I come with a lot of wisdom. Let's put it like that. I come with a lot of wisdom. I like to look at things from a logical standpoint. I think sometimes people, they want to know, okay, what type of trader are you? A lot of times I tell people I'm a logical trader. I look at the market logically. I look at it like real life. So when I pour in wisdom, a lot of it is just from real life. All right, I pour it into the markets. Everything is tied in. Everything is the same. So I provide real life examples when I'm trading and training my students. That's very important. Okay, if you guys watch any of my Facebook and Instagram videos, you guys will hear the wisdom and the logic that comes that I utter. You guys will hear that. Okay. The next point, price action. That's a big part of trading. You have to know candle formation. Without the comprehension of candle formation, when we tap into just learning how to trade, learning the perfect entry strategy, you'll be lost, okay? Because we have to realize when and where it's best for us to get into the market. We don't just get into the market anywhere. There's a place and there's a time for everything. So candle formation is very important. One thing that I drive home is I make sure that I show my students how I read each candle. Each candle is telling a story. You have to learn to read it. Without that comprehension, you're going to be lost, okay? Very important. Now, trading the news, I used to be a very heavy news trader. That's all I did was trade the news. Now, I'm not much of a fundamental trader at all. But there are things about the news that I share with my students that I learned along the way, along the journey of being a trader, that I impart that wisdom on my students, because I do realize that people look at trading the news as a quick way to make a buck. But you have to learn how to do it. There's a way, there's a skill behind trading the news. And you can use this skill set over and over again. Okay? You don't have to. It's a risky time to trade. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. Lastly, the always win strategy. You notice I have an asterisk around that topic. Most of you have watched my always win strategy video on YouTube. I received tens of thousands of views, a couple thousand emails. I'm always being, questioned about the always win strategy. Let me say this. When I publicized this strategy on YouTube, it was my thing to get people to start thinking. And that concept, it touched home for a lot of people. Some people liked it, some people they didn't like it so much. I've gotten great emails about that, great comments. I got bad comments by way of email about that. Some people, they didn't see the point of it. But let me tell you guys, I did not disclose the entire strategy to the public. This strategy is thoroughly explained within the members area. Okay? So I just want to let you guys know there's a time and place that you use the always win strategy. It's not always, okay? But it's the always win strategy. Okay? Sometimes you gotta dig a little deeper and think deeper than what's said. Okay? Alright, so that's that. Let's move forward. Alright. Now we're off to the So Darn Easy Forex Movement membership options. Okay? This is what I'm going to touch on, the different options I have for the membership levels. Alright. The first membership level obviously is the So Darn Easy Forex membership. You guys know as of right now we're on promotion. We'll be off promotion very soon, and the prices will go back up to the original prices. Okay? If you notice, it says that the So Darn Easy Forex membership is $149 to join. Now, we're going to get deeper into prices a little later, but that's what it says, $149 to join. Now, the first bullet point states that all that's listed, what you'll get as a So Darn Easy Forex membership student is everything is listed under the core focus that we went over earlier. Okay? Next, weekly trailer training. For every membership, you're going to sit in on a weekly trailer training. This trailer training is not a part of the normal curriculum. It's something that I do for free, and I do it on my own time. Okay? So this particular training, it's my way of helping you guys earn while you learn. I want to create an incentive for you guys being a student. This is my way of giving back. Help you guys earn while you learn, a way for you to pay for your membership, dues, just a way to say thank you, my appreciation. Okay, and like I said, it's a very powerful training. You guys can sit in on it. It's recorded, so take advantage of it. The next thing is we're going to get into is the membership training for this particular membership is on Thursdays at 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? It's recorded, so if you're not available, don't worry about it. It'll be housed in the members area. You can watch it later. All right, moving on. The next membership is the Millionaire Combo membership. It says that it's priced at $299 to join. With this membership, you guys will have access to the long-term trading, the long-term trading training material. Meaning, that's a little tongue twister. The long-term strategy, you guys will be taught to trade using that. You guys are going to be able to see how it is that I can hold trades for, as you guys have seen, for weeks and months at a time, and I don't even break a sweat. And it's because of this strategy alone. Very simple strategy. When you guys see it, it's going to be like, whoa, I cannot believe that it's this easy and simple. It's like this powerful, like so much of a profit potential. And it's all through the long-term strategy. Okay? And of course, as I said before, everything that was listed underneath the core focus, it'll be at your, it'll be within hand's reach. You'll have access to that. Again, you will have the weekly trade alert training. Now, let me tell you guys this. There are times that during the Millionaire Combo training session, we may go over the entire market again. So you may, as a Millionaire Combo student, have 2 training sessions where we're going to cover the trade alert training. But in this trade alert training, if I have one for the Millionaire Combo students, it's going to be from a long-term perspective. Okay? Now moving on. As a Millionaire Combo student, you will have access to the above membership training material in the members area. What that's telling you is that as a Millionaire Combo student, you will have access to everything that's underneath, everything that the So Darn Easy Forex membership students have. You have access to that as well. Okay? And again, 24/7 access as a student. Last is the membership training for the Millionaire Combo is on Wednesdays, 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? And again, as a Millionaire Combo student, you'll also have access to sitting in on the Thursday's training that's for the So Darn Easy Forex membership students. Okay? Moving forward. The last membership. Alright? The Corner of the Market membership. As you guys see, it's priced at $599 to join. What this one says is, as a student of the Corner of the Market membership, you will have access to the entire members area. The entire members area. Everything under the Millionaire Combo, the So Darn Easy Forex, as well as that of the Corner of the Market membership. It's at your disposal. You can access it 24/7. Okay? Again, all that was listed under the core focus, you have access to that. Again, as a Corner of the Market student, you will also have your weekly trade alert training. Okay? There will be times, just like the Millionaire Combo, there will be times where we may look at the market under the Corner of the Market membership. You know, there's a chance that you can have 2 or 3 trade alert trainings in 1 week. Okay? Super powerful. Of course, being the Corner of the Market membership, you will also have training to corner the market. If you want to learn to corner the market, this is what you want. All right? Learn how to, regardless of what happens in the market, make profit. Okay? Very powerful. All right. Very important part here. Scalp training. Scalping Training. There are a lot of people who are online and they're looking to make quick money in the market. I don't treat Forex like a get-rich-quick scheme, but scalping the Forex market is probably the closest thing to it. Okay? It's not a scheme though, it's a way for you to make money fast. I teach that. There are a lot of people who join the Corner of the Market membership because of that strategy. Well, because of that training. We have a couple different strategies that I'm rolling out on the scalping side. You guys want to get a part of it. It's fantastic to see what you can be able to do in the market. And it's a very simple strategy. Very simple. Okay? Scalping training, that's always the most popular, among the rest, always. Cryptocurrency training. That too, it's covered underneath the Corner of the Market training. Okay? I think that it's probably about, a lot of people want, of course, with the hype of cryptocurrency, with all the hype going around about it, a lot of people want to know more about how to trade cryptocurrency. What is it that I'll look at? What's my wisdom around cryptocurrency? That's where it's being talked about. You want to get access to that, okay? For the Corner of the Market membership, the training day and time is on Tuesdays between 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And again, as a Corner of the Market student, you will have access to sitting in on the Millionaire Combo training on Wednesdays, as well as the SDEFX Forex membership training that's held on Thursdays. So you can access each and every training session offered underneath the SDEFX Forex movement. All right? Very powerful. All right, let's move on. All right. Now here's the fun part. The SDEFX Forex movement membership price list. You guys gotta love it, all right? So, the first membership is, of course, the SDEFX Forex membership. That membership, it costs $149 to join. Now, let me say this. For every membership that I have, you're gonna have a monthly, well, let's say a 30-day, a 90-day, or an annual option. You can pick and choose whichever one you want. For the SDEFX Forex membership, well, let's say for all memberships, this is the way it works. You pay the fee to join. In 30 days, you'll have your first subscription payment. Okay, whether it's 30-day or 90-day. That's the way it works. Okay, I'll say that again. If you were to join today, 30 days from today, you will have your first subscription payment. Okay, that's the way it works. And that's whether it's a 30-day payment or a 90-day payment. So, SDEFX Forex membership, $149 to join. It covers you for the first 30 days. Then, you'll have a $99 payment every 30 days. Or, you'll have a $250 payment every 90 days. Alright, very simple. Now, if you didn't want to opt for a term, 30-day or 90-day, you could go for the yearly plan, where you just join, you pay $9.99 for the year, and you're done. All right? I'll see you in 365 days if you so choose to stay. Now, in any membership that I have, you can cancel at any time. Okay? Let that be known. You can cancel at any time. All right, moving forward. The Millionaire Combo membership. That one, listed at $299. That's the regular price. That's to join the first 30 days. Then, as I told you before, your first 30-day payment, if that's the option you choose, will roll in for $125. Or you can choose the 90-day payment for $325. All right? Now, as I said before, for the Untitled Forex membership, you have the option for the yearly payment, one-time payment of $12.99. Okay? Something to keep in mind is that with all of the memberships, when you are on a subscription payment, your payment will continue to roll in every 30 days, every 90 days until you cancel it. Okay, so to avoid any further payments, when you're ready to cancel, you have to, when you're ready to leave, you have to cancel your membership, cancel your subscription to stop PayPal from debiting your account. All right. Now, lastly, we have the Corner of the Market membership. As you guys already know, that membership, it costs $599 to join. Of course, it's for the first 30 days, you're good. After the first 30 days, that's when your subscription payment, either for $175 for every 30 days or your $399 for every 90 days. Okay? Now, besides those, you'll also have the option for the annual or the yearly payment of $1,999. Now, again, I'm going to say this again and again. When you're ready to cancel your membership, it's very important that you go inside of your PayPal account and you cancel your membership. Okay, you do not want to, do not email me and tell me that, hey, I'm interested in canceling. That will not jive. A text message telling me that you're going to cancel, that too will not jive. You sign up for the course, you have to be responsible enough to cancel your payment. You don't want people going inside of your account, so cancel. Make sure your subscription is canceled in order to cut PayPal's, cut their hand off, so they won't go inside of your account. That's what it is. You want to cut them off. Say no, don't go in there and take my money. Leave my money alone. All right, so that's that. Now, just a few more pointers I want to give you guys. This is how. Well, let's go here. Okay, if you're interested in upgrading, if you want to upgrade from the Untitled Forex membership to the Millionaire Combo membership, or from the Millionaire to the Corner of the Market, or what have you, whenever you're ready to upgrade, if you choose to upgrade, this is what I want you guys to know. When you decide to upgrade, let's say, for instance, you were with the Millionaire Combo for, let's say you just joined today, and after about 8 days, you said, you know what, I'm really loving this material. I can just imagine what the Corner of the Market is like. Let me go ahead and upgrade. So, this is what happens. As long as you were not beyond 14 days a student with the Millionaire Combo or any other membership, as long as you weren't over 14 days of a student of any of these, whenever you're ready to upgrade, you want to make sure the current membership that you're at, you were not there longer than 14 days. If you were still within that 14-day window, you can upgrade. And what will happen is, well, let me say this: you can upgrade whenever you want. You can upgrade whenever you want. The only difference is, if you upgrade within the first 14 days, you'll only have to pay the difference between this one and this one, or the Millionaire Combo and this one, or the Untitled Forex membership in the Corner of the Market. Okay? That's, a bit of a savings for you. So remember, as long as you were not with the membership for more than 14 days, you can upgrade regardless. But if you're within that window, the first 14 days, you can upgrade to the next membership, or you can upgrade to any membership and only pay the difference. Okay? Very important for you guys to know that. All right. So that's that. Now, as far as cancellation, as I told you guys before, when you're a student, you need to cancel your membership when you are ready to leave. It's not my responsibility to cancel it for you. You have to be responsible to do so. That will be the requirement, is that you go inside of your PayPal account and click on cancel it. Okay, that way you cut off PayPal from going inside of your account beyond your that 30 or 90-day period. Okay, now let me get into how it works when you join. This is what happens when you join the Slow and Easy Forex Movement. You will receive a payment receipt from PayPal. In addition to the payment receipt, you will also receive an automated email from my end. This email is going to be the authorization email, the Slow and Easy Forex authorization email. In this email, as the student who just purchased the course, what's required of you is to read over the email. If you use your own account to purchase the course, you're going to have to respond back to me, or respond to the email, send it back to me using the same email address that's on file with PayPal. That's the only way you can get connected. If you email me outside of the email address associated with PayPal, I would not accept it. This rule is not to be bent at all. It's a compliance situation with PayPal and I. In order for everyone to be in full compliance, I need for you guys, let's say the only way you will be connected is if you send the authorization email stating that I, John Doe, did authorize the payment of $250 to join the Millionaire Combo training, or if the promotion is on $299 to join the Millionaire Combo training from my account. As long as it's from the email address associated with your PayPal account and the names match up, you can get connected. For me, and for what PayPal wants from me in order to be in compliance with them and what they require, you're good to go. I'll connect you. In the event the email address don't match up, there's something little fishy going on, you won't be connected, and I will refund you your money. I do not want to have any problems with this, okay? Let's see, in the event, because I get this from time to time, you use someone else's account, someone else's PayPal account. The requirement is the person who's on the PayPal account, they're going to receive an email to the email address on file with them. They are to respond to the authorization email. And the response should be something like this. I, Yusuf Scott, did authorize John Doe, the person who's going to undergo the training, to, I authorized him or her to pay $299 from my account for training. Something like that. You guys will see the embedded example in that email. Just follow that embedded example, send it back to me. As long as I have the person whose account you're using showing that they authorize you to use their account, we're good to go. We're in compliance with PayPal. This is a measure to prevent identity theft. Okay? There's a lot of that going around, and it's my way of protecting my interest and your interest, and of course PayPal, because PayPal is the facilitator of the transaction. Alright, so in the event that your subscription payment is due and for whatever reason PayPal tries to debit your account, they're unsuccessful, and they find that we weren't able to collect payment, they're going to send me an email. Let me know that, hey, there was a decline on this person's account. I will then send you an email and let you know that there was a decline on your account and you will be removed temporarily. You will have a total of 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to remit payment before being removed permanently. Okay? Now, in the event that you do not make payment within 5 days, you'll be removed permanently. If you make payment within that time frame, you'll be reconnected. Okay? And let's see. Besides that, the way that the connection will go once you make payment to join, okay, once you make payment and you join, what's going to happen is once you send an authorization email to me and I verify that, hey, this is John Doe, Jane Doe, everything is verified, everything looks good, I will then send you, if you belong to the Sold on Easy Forex membership or the Millionaire Combo membership, you will receive a total of 6 emails. If you belong to the Corner of the Market membership, you will receive 7 emails. Regardless of which membership you belong to, you will receive 1 email that will contain your login credentials. Okay? It's very important that you get yourself logged in, change your password if you choose to. That way I'll know that you're able to log in successfully. I do not have any tolerance for anyone sharing login credentials with anyone outside of the, anyone for whatever matter. You're not able to share login credentials with anyone. In the event that I find that my system is telling me that there are too many IP addresses on this person's account, they're trying to log in, I'm going to send you a warning. If it happens repeatedly, you will be removed. It's a part of the terms and conditions. I will not play around with that. Alright? Outside of that, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are going to take advantage of this opportunity to be trained by me, Yusuf Scott, I look forward to training each and every one of you. Hopefully this video has given you guys insight on everything this training is about, how it could help you in the Forex market. Anything outside of that, thank you guys for taking time to watch this video. You guys have a fantastic day.